Hello and welcome to Surf Progression Techniques. I'm your host, Chapin Cruder, and in today's video we'll be going over the trick to helping you prevent that lead arm from drifting across your body as you attempt frontside turns. If you like my videos and you find them helpful, check out the link in the description below. That is to my surf course, Perfect Your Pop-Up and Learn to Turn. If you're looking to progress your surfing over the next 3 to 6 months, definitely check that out. So let's dive right in. The simple trick that you can utilize to help prevent that lead arm from drifting across your body as you go to do a frontside turn is by simply pointing your finger towards the beach. And that would be literally just taking your pointer finger, and as you are either doing a bottom turn or as you progress down the line, keep that lead arm pointed straight at the beach. As you can see here, Lakey Peterson, when she does her bottom turn, she points straight at the beach, and then she goes up and executes a beautiful top turn. So that's one way to do it. If you find that just pointing towards the beach throughout the bottom turn process isn't enough, then I suggest as you pop up, set your feet, set your arm pointed straight towards the beach. That will be your lead arm, your frontside arm, and point it straight at the beach and continue to move down the line with it pointed at the beach. And just slowly go through the bottom top turn process, and you will notice that it opens you up and frees up a lot of unnecessary body movements, and your turns will start becoming easier and easier to execute. I realize that many of you feel like when you pop up and point straight towards the beach, you might look a little silly. However, I can assure you if you saw yourself, it will not look as dramatic as it sounds. But you will see a positive result. If you pop up, set your feet, point towards the beach, and continue to pump down the line, trying to execute as many turns as possible with that lead arm staying pointed at the beach. It will enable you to effortlessly do more turns and get higher turn completion results if you practice this technique. So give that a try. I have no doubt that one of those options will benefit you and your turns and help prevent that lead arm from drifting too far across your body, which hinders your turns. So keep that arm pointed straight towards the beach throughout your bottom turn, or maintain that arm pointed straight at the beach as you continue to pump down the line, and you will see a definite improvement in your turns. Remember to click that link in the description below if you're looking to progress your surfing over the next 3 to 6 months with my surf course, Perfect Your Pop-Up and Learn to Turn. And wherever you're surfing, I hope you're scoring. Take care. Ciao.